Hello everyone. So today is 10th of March. We took some trades. Let's go to our trading view. So yes, first stock is Dale in our watch list, which we avoided because it's a defense stock. Although it was just grabbing liquidity, it was clearly a win for us if we took trade because defense stocks are rising due to the ongoing Iran-Israel war. Tejas Networks, it was consolidation in the buyer's side from a really long time, came down for liquidity. I marked my positions here, although it went down, but it had to go up and it went up, right? Next is HL. You know, even if we took the trade at the double bottom. So the thing is, I learned about double bottom today only, and yeah, I could have taken entries here, but I even woke up at around this time only today. So yes, it was clearly, how long? See, 100-point target for us, which we missed. So yes, Exide Industries got rejected from the seller side. It was trailing above the VWAP. It was clearly a long position for us. We could have exited here at 314, but we did not because that it was a clear direction that the stock wants to go up with such big candle. Next, let's come to Kotak Bank. So, consolidation in buyer side, we could have made entries here and uh, just 2.3, 2.13 would be the target. It went up, I don't know why. So yes, next is Infosys. So I learned about double bottom today only. So it formed a double bottom, and I wrote something before. I wrote something when the stock was here, taking a bet that it will go up. Though it is in a downtrend. So it is in a downtrend. It formed a double bottom. So I thought it will go up, and it really went up. Next is IRCTC. See, I was here. Uh, it was an uptrend. I wanted to make my entries here, here, but it was a rounding bottom, which I learned. So see, it clearly went down and then it went up again, but it was not worth it marking our position here. Next is Bajaj Finserv, obviously a trend could have taken good profits if we had high margin, if we had high capital. Uh, it would be like this. I would prefer exiting here, but the candle was so big that it would give us good profits, and it even waited here, and it just went up back again in the sellers zone. Uh, I don't know about Whale, what type of stock this is. It says electrical. I thought it is a defense stock, but it's coal. It was consolidating in the buyers area, and it went up to targets. So yes, even if we entered here, it was good. And then the order block strategy. Uh, the buy trend started here, came back for confirmation till here, touched this value from this, and it went back up again. And then it was clearly a win for us because this candle and this candle. This is the order block. Touched the order block, went up, touched the order block, and went up again. And here as well. So the stock was in an uptrend today. Although you could have just taken profits out here, why waste so much time? Next is Bajaj Finance. I thought that okay, it got rejected only here only. It was consolidating and it was trying to go in the buyer's area, but it did not today. So it was a failed entry today. Next is ST. It did hit our targets. I think I had to mark it here with the M&M. uh, got rejected from sellers. This candle was trying to, no, sorry, actually, this one trying to go up above the VWAP session and see. We could have made huge amount of profits. It did not even stop somewhere. Next is Tech Mahindra. It was in seller's zone. Okay, I even made a position here today, but it went above the VWAP, so I exited my entries. Next is BDL. Clearly apparent it is a defense stock as well. You know, the war is going on. Same thing happening with defense stock. You guys can make good amount of profits, but I would suggest to be cautious. Next is ICICI Bank. Yeah, liquidity grab went up. I did not even bother to check the Fibonacci because it was clearly in a buyer's zone. So yes. Oh, haha. See, I marked my entries here and it just skyrocketed upside. Got rejected here. Small candle, big, and it went really up. No entries yesterday as well. I wrote no confirm entries. I don't know what is going on with this stock. Is there some kind of manipulation or I don't know what? But yeah, for institutions, I think such movement is also enough to get profits. Next is trend. I think yeah, it was a failed. So the reason could be tender seller zone, right? And let us just look at whether the okay guys. Formed a double bottom. Should have taken long position here. Did not check the double bottom. I thought it would touch this. It did touch this till here, but it had to go up. So we learned it. Uh, I thought we would make as much profit only. It went up, we consolidated, we gave chances to the profits. It's a good stock, really good stock. I don't know why I even marked it here. Okay, I thought, okay, when the stock was somewhere around here, I marked my position that it will come down here, but it was in an uptrend. So I think it should be, my order should have been here only because this is the order block and it did even come close to the order block. It wanted to run, so it did. Next time, this should be my entry. I marked that it will come down here. It did not, and it was a mistake. So that is it for today. This was day two of learning how to day trade. We are still learning, and I will learn the logic behind VWAP, though I only heard about it, but it is something that the institutions use, and I have to learn it today. Thank you.